Hi, it's James, and this is not going to be one of my normal videos, and actually is a sponsored review of the Spotlight Presentation Remote by Logitech. And if you follow me and you watch any of my videos, you know that I've only ever done one sponsored post, and that's because it directly benefited the students. So when they reached out to me, I knew that it had to be something that was going to benefit my students. Right now, because of COVID-19, we're 100% virtual. The students are going to phase in soon for a hybrid model, but it's still going to be taught remotely. And so it's difficult when my mouse cursor is moving along. Sometimes the students can't see where I'm going, and they're always asking me, where are you at? Or I'm asking, do you see where I'm at? Can you see it? Are you good? And so when I saw that there was this Spotlight Presentation Remote by Logitech, so I figured it might make all of our lives a lot easier if the students can actually follow along where I'm going, because there's a spotlight that will help them see exactly where I'm at. So it comes in this small little box. I have not opened it at all. You can still see the tape. So I'm going to open it and check it out. And I'm also going to use it with my students. I just broke the seal, so let's take a look at it. So here's some information to download the software to activate the highlight, the magnify, and the timer. Here, that's what it looks like. Pretty slim, stealthy. And so it says pages 1 through 2, information you will be quizzed or tested over. So if it's highlighted in pink, so again, you can see if I highlight it in pink, that means you need to know that for the quiz and the test. If it's highlighted in blue, you need to know it for the test. So even though we are 100% remote learning right now, I was still able to use the Spotlight Presentation Remote by Logitech with my students. If we were in person, I do find value in it. So right now I have it in the laser pointer mode. So you can see the laser pointer right there in red. And so if my students were here, I could use it. And there's a lag right now because it is screencasting to the TV from my work laptop right here. And so there's a reason why if you see my hand, it looks like it's going really slow. That's the reason. I can switch to the magnifier. So again, if I want my students to say, oh, we're in the integumentary system, I can magnify that. Then I can also switch to Spotlight to highlight an area that I might be interested in or want the students to focus on. So again, it's screencasting from my work laptop to the TV. However, let me show you real quick. Here it is, and notice it's much more responsive that way. So here it's my laptop, and here it is me screencasting. So I'm in the back of the classroom. Sorry for the mess because of the whole COVID-19. My room didn't get cleaned, but you can see the TV is up there, and I'm going to use the remote. It's in the highlight mode, so you can see the screen is dark, and I don't know if you can really see the circle moving around. So I would say that that's a positive feature, because as someone who likes to move around as I'm teaching, being able to like go to the lab area, and if there was something on the screen or the TV up here in front of the classroom, I could use the remote. Because in the past, I would have to walk all the way up to the front to the innovation station cart and click on the computer in order to move to the next slide or to highlight something that I wanted. The only downside to this was the price. So just looking online, it went anywhere from $100 up to $130. And so some teachers may find that a little bit pricey, especially right now since my campus, we're 100% remote. I don't know if it would be something that I would utilize just for remote learning, but I do see the value if and when we do return to face-to-face in-person teaching, where I could walk around and I can use it with my students, because having to always walk back to the front of the classroom to click on something or to try to use my mouse still was even hard for the students to follow the cursor. And so to have a magnifier, a highlight, or a laser pointer to make that much easier for the students to follow along with what I want them to do, I find that to be very beneficial. So all in all, if I had students in front of me every single day, then I probably would get this. However, right now, because we are 100% virtual, it's probably not going to be something that I would spend money on. So this is something I definitely recommend for those of you who have students right now face-to-face, or when you return face-to-face, again, because it spares you having to click on something. If you're giving PD as well, as someone who used to give PD, professional development, this was something that came in handy.